Let's understand the Dockerfile from instruction and choosing base images for your Dockerfile. This instruction forms the foundation of every Docker container. The from instruction sets the base image for subsequent instructions in your Dockerfile. Every Dockerfile must start with a from instruction. For example, from Ubuntu 20.04. The from instruction provides flexibility with different syntax variations. You can simply use from Ubuntu to use the latest version. To specify a specific version, use from Ubuntu 20.04. For lightweight variants, you can use from Node:16-Alpine. For a minimal Python image, use from Python 3.9-Slim. Here are some popular base images you can use in your Dockerfiles. Ubuntu is a full-featured Linux distribution. Alpine is a minimal security-focused distribution. Node.js includes a JavaScript runtime. Python offers a pre-configured Python environment. Image tags and versions are an important part of the from instruction. For example, from Python latest, from Python 3.9, from Python 3.9.7. Avoid using latest tag for specific version. Use specific versions for reproducible builds. Choosing the right base image involves several factors. Consider your application type and match the runtime requirements. Keep image size in mind, smaller images lead to faster deployment. Also, consider security. Fewer packages mean less vulnerabilities. Optimized performance is also an important parameter to consider. Use multiple from instructions for optimized builds. For example, the build stage may look like this. From Node:16 builder. The production stage may look like this. From Node:16-Alpine production. Here are some best practices to keep in mind. Use specific version tags instead of latest. Choose minimal base images when possible. Regularly update base images for security. And use multi-stage builds for production. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.